Okay, hello everyone, this is Goodison Gamer once again with another review. Today I'm going to take a look at SEAQUEST on Commodore 64. And this is a new remake of the classic SEAQUEST that was released in 1983 on Atari 2600. And I did a review of that some months ago. I shall put up a link in the description below so you can check it out. So this remake was released recently, actually, late last year, I think. So cool. So I play as a submarine here, and I'm gonna rescue divers. I need to fill up my submarine with 6 divers, but because if I go up and to catch oxygen before, I will lose 1 diver, and they show up very late, these divers, and I have to get some oxygen now, so I lose 1 there immediately. So it's very identical to the original. Perhaps there is the original version had a little bit sharper colors, I think, but apart from that it looks very identical. Apart from that the divers seems to show up very slowly. There you go, yeah, I got 6 there. So it's a cool little game, I really enjoy it. It's a very basic concept, basic objective. But it's a game you can pick up and play, and compete with your friends or something who get the most score. It's not a sophisticated role-playing game you can play for days without sleeping or anything, but I mean it's a cool game anyway. I mean, shit, now it's a lot faster here. Shit, I was almost killed there. It was a real speed up there. Shit, there comes another one. Shit. I need 1 more diver. I need air. Shit, there comes another submarine. And he took me down. He shot me down. What a waste. I need 1 more diver. Come on, where are you? There is 1. Oh no, I hit another submarine there. No. I haven't played the Atari 2600 versions since I reviewed it, so I don't remember if there is any big difference. Perhaps I don't remember that it was this fast so early on in the game, but I don't remember actually. But this is a cool, even if it's very identical, it's cool for the Commodore 64 fanatics that they got their version to play this cool game. So I'm happy for you. You deserve it. Oh, I need to catch air. Come on. There you go. And there comes another one. I need to get up now to the surface here. There you go. And now it will be fast and furious. Shit, this is now when we're talking. There comes another diver. There comes another one. Ooh! Shit, now it's even faster. there is not so much room to maneuver either, because shit, there is a game over, and I'm gonna leave it there. I think we have seen what the game is all about, so it will be a short review today. I must say, yeah, it's a cool game. It's a cool game. It's as I said, very basic, simple graphics, and yeah. What can I say more? It's a cool game. I recommend it. It's worth picking up and give it some 20 minutes, 10 minutes or something. Compete with your friends if you want to, or compete against yourself, perhaps. So I will rate it 6 out of 10 for the Commodore 64 version. Very well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care and have a good one. Goodbye.